Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Gmail inbox fresh and catch the newest messages first, you'll want to update a simple setting right from your phone. Today, I'll walk you through how to set auto advance to newer in Gmail settings so you always see the latest emails as soon as you open your app. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll start from the main inbox screen where all your messages are listed. The goal is to adjust how Gmail loads messages when you swipe or move through conversations, so you're always moving forward to the newest content. Next, locate the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap it to reveal a side panel with your account and settings options. This is the doorway to a more personalized Gmail experience where you can tweak how messages advance as you read. From the side panel, scroll down until you find Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Tap Settings to open a broader menu of choices that apply to your entire Gmail experience on the device you're using. Inside Settings, you'll want to tap General Settings. This section contains several global preferences for how Gmail behaves. It's the home for options that affect your day-to-day workflow, including how conversations are loaded and navigated. Now, look for Auto Advance. This option controls what happens after you open a message or finish reading one. Tapping Auto Advance brings up a few choices, allowing you to customize the sequence of messages you see next. From the Auto Advance options, select Newer. This choice tells Gmail to automatically take you to newer messages as you finish with the current item. It's especially handy if you're catching up on long threads or staying on top of incoming correspondence without manually hunting for the latest notes. Once you've selected Newer, you're all set. Exit back to your inbox and test it out by tapping a message and moving on. You should notice Gmail guiding you toward newer conversations, helping you stay current with what matters most. That's it. The update is quick and the effect is noticeable. With Auto Advance set to newer, your inbox flow stays fresh, your reading pace stays smooth, and you'll spend less time hunting for the latest messages. If you want to fine tune further, you can revisit General Settings anytime to adjust Auto Advance again.